All right, so what are we doing here? We doing what's the name of your lab?
The lab is the owl pellet dissection.
All right, and what did you do so far as measurements thus far?
Um,
You measured it what?
we
What'd you
measured
measure?
the length. It was 250
250 what?
centimeters.
And diameter was what?
Diameter was 125 centimeters.
So essentially half of that, right?
Yeah.
And what was the mass on it?
10.8 grams.
Nice. So that's your owl pellet there. So what are we going to be able to determine from the owl pellet?
With the owl 8.
With the owl 8? And do you have some type of chart or diagram to identify with the owl 8? Instead of just, could you turn to it? It's right there. Nice, nice, nice. So these are different parts of what the parts will look like that you get out of the owl pellet. And once you determine, it's pretty cool. And then once you determine it, then you can start, where are you going to place these pieces? Right here in your tray? Mm-hmm. Cool. Now, what do you know about pyramids and food chains or whatever so far as the owl pellet is concerned?
It shows the flow.
Like where the placement of the owl is in the food chain.
In the food chain? Good. And what their feeding habits are, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So now we can start making some determination about how long they lived, why they died, and we can do all types of studies, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Go ahead, do your thing, man.
They go a feather.
Oh, this is tough.
That's a piece of bone came off
Jaw,
somewhere.
like a jaw right here.
A jaw? Mm-hmm. Really?
a
See if
jaw?
you can dig that out and see if we can identify it.
It's this right here.
Put your goggles on, boss. You can get a wet wipe off my desk and wipe those off if you want.
Breaking it open gently.
What's that right there?
It broke.
That's okay. What is that? Look at your sheet and tell what it is. See if you can tell what it is. Oh man, that is a jawbone. Yeah, what type of jawbone is that?
It's like it's either the rat.
Well, or both.
I think it's a rat, right? That's pretty cool. Nice. Cool. Let's get another piece and identify it.
Open this right here. Couple bones.
There's a bone right there. See that bone right there? Where is it? Right there. I think that bone is right here. You just had it over
Right
here.
here?
Yeah. Yeah, and what is that actually? A leg?
Yeah, leg.
Yes, a leg. So I think you're right. It is a
It's a rat.
it is a rat. Point to it again, the bone.
Right here.
What's this right here? With the rest of the head?
Yeah, probably.
Cool. Thanks, guys.